Prologue. The 8th of July 2009. 11 p.m. Office of Superintendent of Police. Ara, Bihar.
The last whorehouse has been finally shut down, sir.
Savitoj was extremely tired of the operation. The continuous assignments that he had been deployed to had stretched his work duration from 14 to sometimes 16 hours a day. He was both mentally and physically exhausted from the burden levied upon him. It was challenging to do the field work with his aging body and much more strenuous than he'd initially anticipated. Savitoj was offered several desk jobs earlier, but he had refused on all the occasions. But this time, he would be the one requesting a desk job, and his entreaty would face zero disapproval, given his experience and reputation. Many of the state and central ministers loved him. Even though his methods sometimes proved cruel to their families, they helped ministers maintain their integrity and safeguard people's vote bank. By the end of the year, Savitoj hoped to be calmly seated in an air-conditioned office, just accepting respect from his junior officers and commanding them their tasks. It was a successful day for Savitoj. The case had been finally solved. 412 arrests were made. Around 1,200 young girls were rescued from the treacherous surrounding that they had been forced to live in for many years. Yes. Indeed, it has been shut down. We have been working for almost 2 years now. Savitoj paused for a moment, too drenched to continue with any sort of speech. To the young girls. He raised the glass, and everyone followed. Consuming alcohol on duty was against the law, and Savitoj knew it. But someone said, "Fuck that," and brought 3 bottles of whiskey to the office. Everyone joined in with the "fuck that" attitude, and it soon became the slogan for the night, used every time a protocol was broken. Everyone settled themselves in a party mood, the big reason for their happiness being the reduced hours they would have to put in from the following day. However, it wouldn't be the same for Savitoj. The immediate juniors to Savitoj were having a pleasant time around the station. Food in abundance was ordered. It would have satisfied the hunger of twice the number of people present. Savitoj diverted his attention from the party and went through the hearings from the trial. His lawyer had scripted down each and every statement he would be delivering in the next hearing. He was trying to concentrate amid the zeal when a junior approached him with movie tickets wavering in his hand.
Sir, we should reward ourselves with a movie.
But
Yes, sir, I know you don't watch many movies, but today, you have to break your principle.
He paused for a second. Noticing the "ready to reject" expression that Savitoj had already been wearing, the junior did not risk waiting for an answer.
Sir, please, we all are going. It's nearby.
With zero enthusiasm, Savitoj questioned.
Which movie is it?
Hamar Mr. Tharki.
What the fuck is that? Savitoj laughed loudly.
Sir, the other one was Amma Det Rahi Din Raat Chumma. I thought the former was better.
You guys go ahead. Spare me your weird cinemas.
Savitoj had never been too fond of the movies. They lacked a logical explanation for many concepts. Instead of tolerating the foibles of the characters, Savitoj spent most of the time criticizing the inaccuracies. Add a creepy context to the title, and he would definitely say no. This was his first posting in the eastern region. He hoped to never visit other eastern states. His hopes would soon be shattered by his next and the last field posting to the further east. His junior was about to continue pestering when a constable entered the cabin.
Sir, you have a call from Sir Ilamuthan Reddy.
Savitoj was too tired of hearing praises and comments from the Joint Director of CBI. But he was equally exhausted from listening to the continuous requests from his juniors. So an obvious choice was made. Excusing himself from the party, he attended the call. Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind.
Reddy replied.
What excellent work you have done. The department is really proud of having officers like you.
It's been an honor to serve the department and the country.
Indeed, it is.
Reddy paused for a moment.
Mr. Gill, get ready for the last field work you would be doing before getting that seat in Punjab.
Sir, wasn't this supposed to be the last one?
I know, but the center is shocked by what has just happened. It requires the best officer on the case.
What happened?
Soldier has presumably committed suicide in Bengal, far from home, in the wilderness.
Isn't it an open and shut case?
The suicide was committed near a station that is supposed to reopen within 2 months. It has remained shut ascribed to many similar events.
Okay, sir. When do I leave?
Tomorrow afternoon, a junior officer will assist you. He will fill you in with the leads.
Thank you, sir.
That will be all for now. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Savitoj hung up the phone. When he turned, he saw the pestering junior approaching him again. Oh, not again. I don't want to go to that stupid movie.
Sir, a 10-year-old is missing.
What?
Other girls claim that she was cremated alive in the wall the day before yesterday.
Start the car. I will be there in a moment. Savitoj went to his desk and loaded his gun. Luckily, he had not drunk much and could perform at his best. Almost.